Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice with leftover rice. First, ensure your rice is cold and at least 1 day old. This prevents stickiness. Next, gather your preferred ingredients like eggs, peas, carrots, and a protein such as chicken or shrimp. Chop all your vegetables and protein into small, manageable pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. Having everything prepped before you start cooking is key to a smooth process. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat with about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. First, cook your protein until it's nearly done, then set it aside. Next, add aromatics like minced garlic and ginger, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your harder vegetables like carrots and stir-fry them for a couple of minutes before adding softer ones, such as peas. This is where the magic happens. Push your vegetables to one side and add the cold, day-old rice to the empty space, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Drizzle a mixture of soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar over the rice. Now, vigorously stir-fry everything together, ensuring the sauce evenly coats every grain of rice. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the rice to get slightly crispy. Finally, return your cooked protein to the pan and add any pre-scrambled eggs, tossing gently to combine. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of white pepper. Garnish your delicious fried rice with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of flavor and color. For more great cooking tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.